Sandeep Balaji Gautamar, and today's date is 6 March 2024. And today's topic name is youth in politics. Politics often viewed as the realm of older adults increasingly welcoming the voices and contributions of young people. Youth engagement in politics is a virtual for shaping the future of societies worldwide. While the path of for youth in politics may be challenging, their involvement brings fresh perspectives, innovative ideas, and a deeper understanding of issues that directly affect their generations. One of the primary reasons why participation in politics is essential in their unique perspective on comparative issues. Unlike older generations, young people have grown up in an era marked by rapid technological advertisement, globalization, and social change. As a result, they possess enhanced understanding of issues such as climate change, social justice, and digital privacy, making them invaluable contributors to policy discussions and discussion making processes. Youth involvement in politics virtualize democracy by fostering inclusivity and representations. Historically, political systems have been dominated by older individuals, leading to a disconnect between elected official and the diverse demographics they serve. By empowering young people to participate in politics, socialists can ensure that the concern and aspirations of the next generations are adequately represented in policy making and governance. For political parties must actively recruit and support young candidates, ensuring that their voices are heard within party structures and electoral campaigns. Mentorship programs and leadership development initiatives can help young politicians negative the complexities of the political landscape and develop skills necessary to success in elected office. Structural reforms, fostering a culture of inclusivity and respect for youth perspectives is crucial for nurturing their participation in politics. They requires challenging against attitudes and promoting integrational dialogue and collaboration. By creating spaces where young people feel valued and respected, so that societies can harness their political potentialize against of positive change. Ultimately, the engagement of young people in politics is not just a matter of representation, but a fundamental aspect of democracy, equality, and resilience. By embarrassing youth voices and present perspectives, societies can harness the creativity, energy, and idleness of the next generation to address presenting challenges and build a more inclusive, and equitable future for all. So this is all about the youth in politics.